Believe it or not, every photo you take has a secret life, and we're about to uncover it.
Yeah, they're hiding a ton of stuff you probably have no idea about.
This hidden data, it's like a digital fingerprint, baked right into the file itself.
So, what is this stuff? It's called EXIF Metadata. But what does that even mean? Basically, it's a standard for logging the when, where, and how of every single photo.
And just look at the details it grabs. We're talking camera model, even your exact GPS location.
And here's the kicker. This data travels with the image. It's not separate.
Okay, so why should you care about any of this? Well, here's why. First up, let's talk about the risk, because it's a big one.
Get this, a study found that 68% of people have no clue this is even happening.
Seriously, your photos can leak your exact location, what phone you're using, and the precise time.
But hey, it's not all bad news. This data can actually be super useful, especially online.
Did you know photos with complete metadata can rank up to 40% higher on Google?
This is a huge deal for getting seen on places like Google and Etsy.
So if you're a seller or creator, you've got to check this stuff before you post.
All right, want to see this data for yourself? It's actually way easier than you think.
Just find an online tool, upload a photo, and boom, there's all the info. No software needed. The whole thing literally takes less than 30 seconds. Super quick.
So what's the big takeaway here? Well, think of it as your photo's digital fingerprint.
It's really a double-edged sword, a huge privacy risk, but also a powerful tool.
So now that you know about it, what are you going to do with this hidden data?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With EXIF Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. EXIF, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.